Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm Kay, and yeah, this video is going to be a basic one-on-one tutorial on how to contour and highlight. And guess what? I snuck in another tutorial, how to do your eyebrows. You do have to stay tuned and go after this video and watch the second video on how to do your eyebrows. It's just a basic natural eyebrow look and nothing dramatic, nothing over the top, not a night look. If you would like me to do a night look eyebrow tutorial, just comment below and I'll get that to you. And so yeah, just stay tuned and we're gonna get right into this video. Okay, so before we get into this video, I do want to say anytime that you apply your foundation, you always want to make sure you have a smooth base. So I mean, I really feel that skincare is really important. I always, you know, exfoliate my skin, and I always use what's it called, something water, a cleansing water, but it's called something else. I always use a cleansing water, and I also use a toner and just different things that I do to take care of my skin. But if you would like me to do a skincare regimen video, just let me know in the comments and I'll get that out to you. So now I am going to prime. These are my two favorite primers, so y'all should know about them. If y'all don't, you need to go back and watch some other videos of mine so you can know. But yeah, we're just gonna apply our primer. Oh, I applied that in the wrong area. Now I'm gonna set that primer with my La Mercier medium deep translucent powder. And this is one of my long lasting foundation wear techniques. I've been doing this for a while. I learned from, of course, Auntie Jackie. Got hair in my face. So now I'm going to use my Super Stay Full Coverage Maybelline foundation. I know a lot of you already probably heard about it, so I'm not going to go into details. This is going to be my first time using it, so I hope it goes well. It's so slow, but I'm going to buff that in with my Morphe I don't know why, I just can't talk today. My Morphe brush, and go all the way in. Ooh, I like this. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, look at my skin. Hold on. Y'all, Maybelline is what you done to me. I love this. Like, oh my god, Maybelline. Like, I don't know who y'all got in the lab cooking it up, but I think y'all went to the streets with this one. I just feel like y'all went to the streets with this one, and yeah, gave the people what they wanted. I'm soaring and flying. I don't know what they did to this foundation, but it set me free. Oh, it set me free. Okay, so let's get into this video. Let's get into this highlighting and contouring because this is what we came here for. I done got too deep into this foundation and we really came here for, you know, how-tos. This is a how-to, so we're gonna talk about how-to. So we're going to not contour. No, we're not contouring. We're gonna highlight. We're gonna highlight, and I'm using Shape Tape in the color Deep. My jacket too little, girl, stretch. And we're gonna highlight under our eyes because you want to bring the focus on parts of your face, which is your eyes, your forehead, the bridge of your nose. Some people do the chin and some people do the cupid's bow. I really do the full upper lip area because I do have a mustache. Sometimes I like to shave it, sometimes I don't, you know. It's the winter right now, so we're gonna hibernate. That's what we're gonna call it. Yes, sir. It's to the areas.
I was gonna ask who's gonna give away that stuff that you said.
In the middle of the video, we're gonna ask about who we giving stuff away to in the middle of the video.
No.
Can we talk about this later? Later? Thank you. Back to what we were talking about. So yeah, I highlight the full lip because, you know, I like to cover my mustache. And I'm not even gonna use this one. I'm going to use my what is this? NARS Creamy Radiance, because this is closest to my skin. And this is the color Amandi. I don't know. Amandi. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Guess I can't read. Amandi. And I'm just gonna put that right here. You don't necessarily have to do this. I do it because, like I said, I'm covering up my mustache. And I'm gonna put it right here to help also with those lines. Give it, you know, extra backup. Now, we're just gonna let that sit. And so we're gonna highlight under our eyes first because we wanna hide the bags. Cause you know the girl's got the bags cause she young and she don't get no sleep. And she suffers from apnea and anxiety. So we're gonna cover all of that up. We're gonna cover up the anxiety and the apnea and the work schedule and the stress. We're gonna cover it all up. So cover it up. Cover it up, sis. So now you're gonna let this concealer sit on your face for like 30 seconds because I find letting it sit on your face helps it stay in place. Because you notice sometimes when you're blending out your concealer and it starts to move once you're starting to blend it, and I think it's because it hasn't, you know, gotten like set into your skin, so it's still that liquid form. And so what I like to do is let it sit on my skin for like 30 seconds and then blend it in. So I'm just, you know, what do you call it, just spreading it, and it's, you know, some of the product is still there and it's not all the way just gone. And we're just gonna blend it in. And when you're blending, you want to use a pouncing motion and just pounce that in and just pound. You don't want to swipe it because it will move the foundation and then you're going to start looking patchy. So I like to use the pouncing technique. So now we're contouring. When I contour, I like to go 2 shades lighter with a warmer tone because I do have a gold, not a gold, well yeah, a gold yellow undertone. So I like to use a warm red undertone in my contouring. I think with contouring, you just have to know your undertones and your skin tones to find like what colors it really works for you. But this is the foundation stick from Hourglass and it's in the color Chestnut. And you always want to, okay. Now let me just, you know, get real with you. I've watched many of videos where they say you're supposed to contour like under your cheekbone, but I find contouring on the cheekbone, like right here for me, and then moving it down is what worked for me. I don't have high cheekbones, so I feel like I have to find my cheekbone and make me one. So I like to put it like right here, like right exactly, like, because this is under my cheekbone, because when you do this is what helps you find your cheekbone. So when I do that, I know, okay, my cheekbone is right here. So I go a little bit up, like right here on the cheekbone. One stroke right there. One stroke right there. So a little dab right there, because I forgot about this side. And then on this side. So now that your contour and your highlighting is down, you want to always set your liquids and your creams and, you know, all the stuff that is not powders. You always want to set it with the powder to keep it in place. So I'm going to set under my eyes with my Beauty Bakery flour powder in the color yellow, and I really love this. If you would like me to do a review on this, you know, I done told you once and I done told you twice. Drop it in the comment box and I get at you. And I'm gonna dip this. Ooh, y'all. This flour powder is so pretty. But yes, I'm gonna dip it. Blow off the excess, and I'm just gonna place that right under my eye. And I'm gonna place it in all the areas that I put the concealer. So you wanna put, you know, place your concealer, you know, keep your concealer in place. And so you wanna put that powder, whatever powder you have, in that part. In with my La Mercier medium deep and set my whole face. One day I'm just gonna get it right. I really am. I'm gonna get my words together. Got powder everywhere. Okay, so now I've set my face. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video because like I did mention, this is a 2-part video. You know, I hit you with a 2-in-1. Okay, so now that I finished my whole, not my whole face, my eyes, my eyebrows, I'm gonna finish doing my contour and highlight. Now this part of the contour and highlight is more so bronzing. I used to contour on top of contour, but now I contour with a foundation stick and then I bronze on top of that. And then when I say highlighted, I mean the glow. So yes, we're about to, oh my god, we're gonna bronze. I'm gonna bronze with my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil.
Dark chocolate.
And I'm just gonna contour. I'm gonna highlight, not highlight. I'm just gonna bronze on top of that contour that I did. And I'm gonna use my, I don't know the name of this brush. And I like to brush up on top of that so it can bring warmth to the top of my face, if you get what I'm saying. And remember, because I don't know if I disclose this is the way that me, Keontae K, you know, whatever you want to call me, contour and highlight. And I use my deepest, whatever the product is. You guys know the name of it more than I do, you know, because I can't talk. I also use that to contour my nose. And when I contour my nose, I just go on the bridge of my nose and bring it up into my eyebrow and blend it out. Okay, so this step right here, I've been using like my favorite product. Like, this is my favorite product. It's my favorite product because one of my favorite influencers, of course, this is her collab, but because, you know, it is a bomb ass highlighter. Like bomb. It's the Diamond Glow powder, the LeBron's with Jackie Aina. Yes, this is bomb. This is bomb. Like, you guys, this is bomb. Oh, bitch. Oh my god, y'all. I got carried away. Oh, fuck. See, only I would do that. Okay, so now that y'all just sit here and watch me get carried away with this highlighter, came out pretty cute, don't you think? Okay, so that's my contour and highlight routine. Just hold on, let me finish the rest of my face and I'll be back, okay? Okay, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I will list all the products that I did use in the description box below. I really hope you guys, you know, caught on to what I was saying. I know I stumbled over a lot of my words. You know, I'm still nervous. It's okay. But I hope I was helpful. That's all I really want to do, is be more so helpful to you guys on how to contour and highlight, my way of contouring and highlight. No one else's way. Disclaimer, disclosure. No one else's way. My way. And yeah, stay tuned for the eyebrow tutorial too, because that will be coming up next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. And yes, thank you and stay tuned till next time.